friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are here to make some attractive bookmarks as many of us love reading books. So let's start. First bookmark is in the shape of a pencil, which you can make with any favorite color of your choice. Here comes the second bookmark, which I made with cotton dubbing. Take any 2 or 3 colors and start making it. Now comes the third one. Take chart paper of any color or paint it. Then outline it with black brush pen or marker. Cut 2 chart paper in heart shape, one big and one small. Then write anything on it and paste it with the help of cotton to give it 3D effect. Now it's the turn of fourth bookmark, geometrical heart. Cut it in the shape of heart. Make triangle and circles of multiple colors. Now finally, it's time to make fifth one. Write anything on it. Make upside, downside triangles of multiple colors to make it more attractive. So friends, I hope you will try making it and keep loving my videos. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye for now.